remove the top cover. Remove the air baffle. Remove any parts and disconnect any cables that might impede your access to the heatsink and processor. Use a Torx T20 screwdriver to loosen all the captive screws in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. After loosening each captive screw, wait for several seconds for the heatsink to loosen from the processor. Lift the heatsink slightly away from the system. Use a Torx T20 screwdriver to loosen the captive screws in the removal sequence shown on the force frame. Lift up the force frame slightly and then lift the rail frame in the direction shown. The processor in the rail frame is spring-loaded. Hold the blue tab at the processor carrier and slide the processor carrier out of the rail frame.